Hi everyone. Today I intend to discuss 5 types of conditions. As you know, if and unless types of sentences are extremely common in English. So let's study them systematically. And after the end of this particular video, I'm sure you'll be able to use conditional sentences confidently. So let's begin. The first type is called zero conditional. Now in this condition we have the simple present tense on either side, the condition as well as the result. So generally we use it for universal truth, something which is always true. For example, if you boil water, it evaporates. If you work hard, you get success. So if you work hard, that is the simple present tense, you get success, means you always get success, like that. It's not about a specific event, it is always true. If you work hard, you get success. If you don't work hard, you don't get success. Simple. The second condition, which is called probable condition, something which is likely to happen. So in this we use condition in the simple present tense and the result in the simple future, or sometimes with can and may plus verb. So for example, if you work hard, you will get success. There is a possibility. If you don't work hard, you will fail. So these are likely to happen conditions, probable conditions. In some books they have mentioned it as open condition. The next condition is improbable, something which is not likely to happen. You just speak it for the sake of speaking. For example, if I was a dog, I would bark. If I were a bird, I could fly. So here we use was or were, and usually we have the past tense form would or could plus verb in the result part. So if I was a dog or if I were a dog, I would bark. If I was a bird, I could fly. If I was a millionaire, I could buy a palace. So these are all imaginary situations. In interviews, sometimes people ask, what would you do if you were the prime minister? Now that person may be a local leader, but the interviewer asks him, what would you do if you were the prime minister? So this is improbable type. The next is impossible type, something that happened in the past you cannot change. So it is the impossible type. For example, yesterday I got up late and I missed the train. So today I can say, if I had got up early, I could have caught the train. Right? If he had worked hard, he would have passed. So here we have the past condition with the past result. And the condition part is had plus past participle, and the result part has either would or could or might plus have, and the past participle form, the third form of the verb. So that is impossible type. If he had asked me, I would have told him. That means he did not ask, so I did not tell him. The next is a mixed conditional, where we talk about a past condition and we talk about the present result. For example, that person didn't help me in the past, and because of that, right now I am not in a good position. So I can say, if he had helped me at that time, if he had helped me, I would be in a better position now. So past condition and present result. If I hadn't consulted that doctor, I wouldn't be in this good health condition now. If I had invested in the stock market 10 years ago, I would be an extremely rich person now. So past condition with the present result. So I hope you are now clear about all these 5 types of conditions. First, for the universal truth or scientific truth, something which is always true, which is called a zero conditional. The second is probable, likely to happen. Third is improbable, which is not likely to happen. It is spoken just for the sake of speaking. Fourth is impossible, the only condition for the past time condition and past time result. And fifth is past time condition with the present result. So I hope this helps, and if you have any doubts, please get back to me. I am Dharmendra Sheth, founder of Fluentlingua, Surat. Thank you very much.